Learn English with time clauses. As soon as you learn these, your English will get better fast. Let's do it! In this video, I'll show you how to make time clauses about the future in the present simple tense. Is this one of the mistakes that you make sometimes? I've got something really special for you at the end of this video, so sit back and enjoy the ride. When you are talking about something in the future, you must use the present simple tense after the words when, until, before, after, and as soon as. For all of you grammar nerds out there, these are called subordinating conjunctions, which are used to make the complex sentence structure. For example, my dog Lana will bark after I ask her if she wants to go for a walk.
Do you want to go for a walk? Let's go.
Guapo will bark as soon as he sees a bird.
It's a bird. It's a bird. It's a bird.
Let's talk about structure. First, subject plus will not plus infinitive, or be going to or be not going to plus infinitive, plus time word, okay, so before, when, until, after, as soon as, plus subject plus verb in the present simple. For example, you are not going to learn about my special offer until you come to the end of the video. Do you understand?
Prove it.
Try to fill in the blanks of these sentences. I am going to have a new tooth when the dentist finishes working on me. Okay, so when, remember, is their time word, plus the present simple. So when the dentist finishes. I am going to have future when the dentist finishes. Present simple. Okay? She will take the IELTS exam as soon as she completes her English course. I will water my plants regularly to help them grow after I plant them. After is our time word. I plant, present simple. I will water my plants regularly. Future. Lana is going to die when I shoot her.
Pew, 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 pew.
I do not encourage violence, children. Now, there is actually another way to make these sentences. Do you know it already? So instead of putting the time clause at the end of the sentence, you can put it at the beginning. Cool, right? All you have to do is add a comma after you finish that time clause. The meaning is exactly the same. Until you subscribe to my channel, you are not going to get any notifications about the videos that I post every week. So sad. So, do you got it? Yes? Let's see. Write the future simple tense using be plus going to or the present simple tense. Okay? when she learns the new idioms, she is going to use them in sentences. We are not going to walk the dogs until the sun goes down a bit. After the laundry is done, I am going to fold the clean clothes. Before you buy a new phone, you are going to have to save up some more money. Write the future simple tense now with will plus infinitive or the present simple tense. After I finish chopping the veggies or vegetables, I will make a salad with them. As soon as I upload my next video, you will be able to enjoy it. Yay! I will keep reading this book until I finish it. Before they enter Costco, they will show their membership cards. You will learn whatever you want when you book a live class with me. Before we get to the listener Q&A, do you want to take your English skills to the next level? Well, I've got just the thing for you. Introducing English Success Planner, your ultimate guide for mastering the English language. Inside, you'll find everything you need to set clear goals, create effective study schedules, and discover essential tips and resources. Plus, you'll get to know a little bit about me and how I can help you on your English journey. And the best part, it's completely free. That's right. Just click the link below to start transforming your English today. Now, Let's move on to our Q&A, question and answer session. Yelly writes in to say, "Hi, Teacher Meghan. Recently, I made a mistake using past, P-A-S-S-E-D, instead of past, P-A-S-T, in the context. Do you think I can leave on time? I've been leaving past my end time lately, and I have some important things to catch up on. What is the difference? How do I know when to use each one? Thanks, Yelly." That's a great question, Yelly. This confuses a lot of people. I'm wondering, does it confuse any of you here watching today? It confuses even English speakers who haven't had good grammar teachers. Past, P-A-S-S-E-D, is the past tense and the past participle of the verb pass, to pass. It means to move or cause to move in a specified direction or to succeed in an exam or a test. For example, she passed the ball to her teammate. He passed the grammar exam with flying colors. The parade passed through the city center. P-A-S-T is a noun, adjective, adverb, and preposition related to time before the present. For example, when used as a noun, let's say we're in the year 2060. In the past, people used gasoline to power their cars. Now we only need to use water. As an adjective, no. Don't let her drive. She has a history of past car accidents. Preposition, he walked past the candy store on his way to the gym. Do you think he made it to the gym? As an adverb, the dog with the car in it passed by us really quickly. In summary, past, P-A-S-S-E-D, is a verb, and past, P-A-S-T, is a noun, adjective, adverb, and preposition. I hope that really helps you, Yelly. Thank you so much for writing in. As for you, write your questions in the comments below, and you might see it featured in a future video of mine. I want to teach what you want to learn. Okay, so tell me what you want to learn. I'm totally down for teaching it. Or you can send your questions to englishwithmeganmendoza@gmail.com. Once again, download the English Success Planner for free in the link below to get started efficiently learning English. Guys, I literally worked on this for about 16 hours, doing lots of research, formatting, putting in as much helpful information as I could just for you, and it's all for free. Don't miss this opportunity. Download it in the link below to get your own copy and start transforming your English today. And once again, thank you for choosing English with Megan. Bye!